We all know biscuit isn't really a healthy choice, but what if we can make it in a healthier way? That's exactly what I did today. A protein packed biscuit you can enjoy guilt free, both of you and your kids. Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthy Eats. Today I'm making my favorite homemade protein biscuit. No maida, no refined sugar, just a mix of nuts, ragi, and oats. Perfect for kids' tiffin or even tea time. One evening, I wanted to make something crunchy yet nourishing. I opened my jar shelf. Almonds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, walnut, pistachio, and flax seeds are staring at me. So, I decided to grind them together into a fine nutty powder. In a mixing bowl, I took 100 grams soft butter and quarter cup of jaggery powder. Beat it well till creamy. Then added 1 cup of mixed nut powder, 1 cup ragi flour, half cup oats flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix everything into a dough. If it is feel too tight, you can add a splash of milk, but mine turned out perfect without it. I know biscuits aren't the healthiest, but when you make them with the real ingredient, that becomes a nourishing treat. So try this recipe for you and your kids because healthy can be delicious too. My daughter Zara said, Amma, it tastes like a store bought. Then, when I realized healthy food doesn't have to be boring, it just need a little love. Shape them the way you like, round, heart, or even small stars for kids. I made a medium sized balls and pressed the pumpkin seeds on top. That's for the beautiful look. Bake 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes until golden. Once cooled, this biscuit were crispy, full of nutty flavor and that warm ragi aroma. Honestly, when I tasted the first bite, I thought healthy food can truly make your heart happy. So, here is my version of protein biscuit, simple, homemade and full of love. Enjoy it in moderation because even healthy treats taste better when you respect balance. If you like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Healthy Eats. Thanks for watching.